Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have what you need. Start now. First, make sure you're signed in with device admin privileges and connected to Wi-Fi so changes save. Once done, open Settings and go to Network or Connections. This is where carrier and SIM options live. Tap Mobile Network or SIM settings, then select the SIM you want to rename. That first selection unlocks the editable label field. You're now in the right place to change the visible mobile network name. Now you'll perform the core edit. Select the SIM or ESIM profile and look for Edit, Label, or Network Name. Different manufacturers word it differently. Tap that field and type a short, clear name. Keep it under 20 characters for display compatibility. After entering the name, press Save or Done. Some phones apply instantly, others ask for a restart. Make sure to reboot if prompted, so the system reads the new label from the SIM profile and updates status bars and connections. Finish by confirming the name appears in your status bar, and under Settings, right arrow SIM cards. That shows the system accepted the label. If it doesn't update, toggle airplane mode on then off, or restart the phone to force the UI to refresh. Make sure the SIM profile isn't locked by carrier branding. If the operator name persists, contact your carrier because some providers override custom labels. If all else fails, save a screenshot of settings and request carrier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.